Sagad pala.
Ting pa po tayo mamaya. Aaga din po makauwi ang lahat.
Thank you so much to all our 16 participants. Our sugar. Number? Sino? Why? Okay, that's entry number 12. Flores Palermo. Selected by the Piotraco Management Team for excellence in creativity, execution, and product use. The winner is Miss Aileen P. Samson. 8,000 pesos. The Bronze Award goes to Mr. Kenneth John Lowe. Hawak daw yun. 10,000 pesos. Mark Flores Alright, so for the gold winner, your creation brought Iloilo in blooms to life with excellence, artistry, and flair. Congratulations to our gold award winner, Mr. G.
Let's all start. So before that, let's acknowledge our head judge for this competition, Chef Madeline Madagan and Chef Joanne Estabuli. Okay, so kapag tinawag ko po yung name and yung award, pumunta and then pakuha po ng inyong cake for picture taking. Okay, so unahin natin ang ating is natapos ang ating online voting. So for our People's Choice Award, let's all welcome Miss Devin J. Llagas! Sige po, dito po tayo. Then smile sa camera. Congratulations po. Then smile sa camera. Palakpakan po natin na nakakuha ng ating silver awardee. So another silver awardee is Cyber ating gold awardee in ating third place. Palakpakan po natin si Mr. Cesar Cadiz! Hala, naiiyak si Sir. Mr. Cesar Cadiz. Second place for this competition, Miss Elvira Moneta. Again, palakpakan po natin ang ating second place. So, sino sa inyo ang napupusuan nyo ang ating first placer for this year competition? Isigaw nyo na po yung name. Okay, for our gold awardee and ang ating first placer for this year competition, Miss Glazer Mata. Again, palakpakan po natin si Miss Glazer.
Proud of you, sis!
Congrats! Yay! Kanta! Sige. Okay na.